Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So we are discussing branch accounts. So introduction over, simple problem I have done. In last problem we have seen how to open the debtors account, and when transit is given, what is transit, how to treat it, that we have seen. Now today's problem is definitely different from other problems. How to calculate the closing stock end of the day. So that stock was not given, but we have to calculate. That is the main twist of today's problem. Before going to the problem, please I request you all to support our channel by sharing these videos, because with lot of time and care preparing for you all at the rate free of cost. Please share it with your seniors, juniors or your classmates. Okay, thank you in advance. Okay, now coming to today's problem, prepare branch account. Okay, opening stock is given. Opening stock debit side will write. Sales will be on the credit side, by bank will say. Goods sent to the branch, debit side. Expenses, both the expenses debit side will write. Okay, now this para we need to be very careful. Before going to the, shall we post this? Easy enough. So posting is easy. To opening stock 15,000, and sales means by bank will write. By bank, in brackets you can say sales. How much it is? 60,000. And goods sent to the branch, that's debit side. Goods sent to the branch. $45,000. And expenses, what do we say? To bank. Expenses, what are the expenses? Salaries and other expenses. Salaries are 5,000, other expenses 2,000. Other expenses 2,000. Together it is 7,000. Everything is posted up to here. Okay, now important thing is that you must understand this paragraph. Problem is over. Now what they are saying? Closing stock could not be ascertained. Opening stock is given, closing stock could not be ascertained, but it is known that the branch usually sells at cost plus 20%. In consignment also we have done invoice, price, cost plus. Cost plus means, suppose say the cost is 100 rupees. The cost is 100 rupees. If I want to add cost plus 20, it comes to 120. 20% they are say, no, cost plus 20. 120 it comes. Now when we want to calculate, it comes 20 by 120. So this is cost plus. Simply on cost, no plus is not added. Simply they are saying cost, on cost 20%. Then 20 by 100. Cost plus means cost plus 20 means it comes to 120. 20 by 120, this is the calculation we are going to do. Now what they are saying, closing stock could not be ascertained. It is known that the branch is usually sells cost plus 20%. On what? On both the things. Opening stock, on both the stock. Stock is here, opening stock and goods sent to the branch. Together we can say this is the total stock. On this we have to calculate cost plus, so that we get the closing stock. Now you see how we can do by closing stock. Closing stock is here, together on opening stock total. So 15,000 plus 45,000 comes to 60,000. On 60,000 calculate this 20 by 120. Generally we could have taken 20 by 100 only, but they are saying cost plus 20. Okay, so that is 60 by 120. If you calculate, you will be getting the closing stock, right? So let us see, 60,000 into 20 divided by 120. It is coming to 10,000, right? So 10,000 is the closing stock. We found it, we have calculated this. Am I clear about this point? If it is clear, we'll go for the further. Now this is over. Next one, the branch manager is entitled to a commission of 5% on a profit of the branch before charging such commission. Please remember this point, before charging such commission. It means first we need to find out the profit. On profit we will calculate the 5%. Once again, after deducting this commission, we will be calculating once again net profit. Just like in final accounts, simple final accounts, you know, we used to do commission to manager, commission to general manager, same thing. Anyway, I will show you through the calculation, it will be easy for you. Now, right now, credit side we have sales and closing stock, not anything else, right? So, total is 70,000. minus all these items. 70,000 minus 15 plus 45 means it is 60,000. 60,000 minus 7,000. It comes to 3,000, right? So 3,000 we are getting profit. Actual profit is 3,000. And what they are saying, 5% commission, 5% on this. How do you got 3,000? 70,000 minus 67,000. Okay, how do you got? 70,000 minus all the debit items, 67,000. You got 3,000, right? You got 3,000, like 3,000, 5%. 5% means generally it comes to 150, I think, into 5%. Yes, 150. It's 150. 150 is the commission to be given to the manager. Okay, so we'll say to commission. Before charging such commission means first we have taken the profit. Net profit is we are getting 3,000. 3,000, 5% you are getting 150. 150 we have written. Now you find out the profit, that is adjusted profit and loss account. So it means 3,000 minus 150. It comes to 2,850. That's all. This is the profit. Am I clear? First take the screenshot. Once again I will give you recap. This you can say adjusted profit and loss account or general profit and loss account also, anything. But a branch account generally will say general profit and loss account. Now let me give you a recap, quick recap. The problem is simple. These transaction posting is, you know. Now you need to focus only on the calculation of closing stock and also commission. Closing stock calculation, they are saying 20 plus cost plus 20%. Closing stock means on opening stock only we are going to calculate. Opening stock means 15 plus 45,000 together will be the total goods sent by the head office. Closing stock could not be ascertained, but it is known that the branch usually sells cost plus 20%. So on this 60,000, as per the given the calculation, cost plus 20%, it means 120. 20 by 120 we have calculated. 60,000 this is into 20 by 120. It's coming to 10,000. Second point is that commission. The branch manager is entitled to a commission of 5% on a profit of the branch before charging such commission. Before charging means first we have to give the commission, then once again we have to calculate the profit. So as per that, total it is 70,000. 70,000 minus all these amounts, 67,000 it is. You are getting 3,000. 3,000, 5% comes to 150. 150 we have given. After deducting this 150, profit is means 3,000 minus 150. It comes to 2,850. If you want more clarity, 7,000 minus all these amount 1, 2, 3, 4, you will be getting profit, that is general profit and loss account 2,850. Am I clear? If you understand this problem, such kind of simple twists, simple adjustments, new adjustments you will get. use the brain and work out it. That's it, simple. So in the coming classes we'll see more problems. By the way, whenever you see this problem, just focus on the problem, 5-10 minutes you can understand. Then after that, without looking at the answer, you try to work out, or note down and work out it in a rough book, and take out your test book. Try as much as possible. Practice is much important. If you are getting this answer, write it in the comment box. Ma'am, I got the answer. I feel very happy, and I love to read your comments, because directly I am not seeing you. At least through comments I can find you. So stay connected. In the coming classes we'll work out more problems, and check out the playlist. There are many subjects which already covered, and use it. Don't forget to share this video. Stay connected, practice well, good luck.